Welcome to Beautyistic, where we bring you the latest beauty insights with a dash of expertise. Today, we're diving into the Keratin Complex NKST Natural Keratin Smoothing Treatment Kit, a product that promises up to 5 months of smooth, shiny, and manageable hair. If you're someone who struggles with frizz or just wants that salon-quality finish that lasts, this might just be the solution you've been looking for. So let's start with a quick overview. This smoothing treatment kit is designed to be a comprehensive solution for those who want to reduce frizz, add shine, and make hair more manageable over a prolonged period. With 67.6 ounces of product, it's a larger than usual kit that aims to smooth and tame hair for up to 5 months, offering salon-grade results from the comfort of your home. It's an unscented formula, so if you're sensitive to strong fragrances, that could be a plus. Now, let's talk about how this product fits into your beauty routine. I've used it a couple of times now, and here's what I found. The kit includes a lotion-like formula that's applied to damp hair, and it's designed to work in tandem with heat styling to lock in that smooth finish. The application process is relatively straightforward. After shampooing, you apply the treatment, let it sit for a while, and then seal it in with a flat iron. As someone who loves smooth, the frizz-free hair, I was hopeful that this would deliver on its promise. When I first applied the treatment, I noticed it didn't have any overpowering scent, which is great if you're sensitive to that. The formula went on smoothly, and my hair felt silky even before styling it. After drying and straightening, my hair definitely looked smoother. I was impressed by how much shinier and softer it felt without weighing it down. In fact, I was able to skip my usual post-styling serum since it already had that glossy finish. The real test, of course, is how the product holds up over time. I've been using it for a few weeks now, and I can say that it's living up to its claims. My hair has stayed frizz-free, and the smoothness hasn't faded as quickly as it does with other treatments I've tried. If anything, I've noticed that my hair stays straighter, even in humidity, and is a lot easier to manage overall. That being said, there are a few things to consider. The treatment does require some effort, especially if you're someone who doesn't usually spend a lot of time styling your hair. Applying the treatment and then flat ironing your hair can take a bit of time, particularly for longer hair, and the heat required for the best results can be a bit damaging if you're not careful. But if you're someone who's used to professional salon treatments, you'll be familiar with the process and the care needed. Now let's talk about some of the pros and cons. On the plus side, this treatment is highly effective in smoothing and adding shine, and the results are long-lasting, which justifies the price. My hair felt healthier and looked more polished. But on the flip side, the treatment process is a bit time-consuming and requires careful attention to heat styling. If you're not used to working with heat, you might not get the full effect. As for value for money, while the price is a bit on the higher side, I do think it's worth it for anyone who wants a long-term smoothing solution. Considering that it lasts for up to 5 months, it works out to be a fairly cost-effective option when compared to regular salon treatments. There are some alternatives out there that offer similar results at a lower price, though they might not last as long. Products like Brazilian Blowout or Joico K-Pack offer smoothing benefits, but they tend to be a bit more expensive or require more frequent touch-ups. In terms of build quality, the packaging is sturdy and well-designed, making it easy to apply and store. It's also worth mentioning that Keratin Complex is a reputable brand in the hair care industry, known for its high-quality treatments and products. Overall, I'm quite impressed with this product. It's an excellent choice for anyone who's looking to invest in a salon-quality treatment that provides long-lasting results. It's especially great for those with frizz-prone or unmanageable hair, as it does deliver on the promise of smoothness and shine. If you're interested in trying it for yourself, you can find the link to purchase in the comments or description box. And as always, if you've tried this product, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment below and let me know how it worked for you. If this review helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to stay updated with more beauty tips and tricks. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful, inside and out.